Hello, Mr. Moore. After an exhaustive search, here's your watch. So you bought this watch brand new in 1983. The hands generally are in okay shape. The lume on the hour and minute hands really took a hit. I can do my best to clean that up and improve that, because it really makes the having the dirty lume makes the watch look more challenged than it actually is, because the rest of the hands are good. There's a little bit of darkening, graying out on the dial lume, but not bad. I've seen worse. And your frosted Seiko is still not bad. It's still pretty bright. I can brighten that up a little bit more, but that's not bad. I've seen these with water damage that came in, and those oxidized to just absolute black. Your rotating ring feels nice. Normally those are pretty chunky and weird. Crystal isn't bad either. It's got a couple marks. You had sent in this to be used as an extra link. It's not obviously the same as this. It's not as, this one is thicker. I don't know that this will work. I'll try. I'll see if I can get it to hold together. I don't know. I'll give it a whirl. I see that the space of the mid lug is the same-ish, kinda, and I'll give it a whirl. We'll see. Yeah, no, that looks like that matches. Sorry, I'm not showing you there. What's that, 11 millimeter? Let's see if there's any life out of this movement. There you are. Gimli, 1985. Gimli, the Lord of the Rings character. Try with the light. Yeah, no problem. I don't see anything in there. Let me try another battery. That's a new battery, but No life at all. I mean, I see a little bit of corrosion right here. That's part of the battery connection. I don't know. We could have something up with the circuit, because that should be giving us something. Just for fun, just put it in again. Something's up with your circuit. Yeah, something's up with your circuit. Power's not getting where it's supposed to go, and something's up. So I'm not gonna know about this being alive or not until I actually get it taken apart. So, as much as I enjoy getting stuff done without basically pulling this entire back plate, which is the beginning to tear the movement apart, I'm not going to know for sure. Based on the corrosion around that battery connection, we're going to see, maybe it's something just as simple as cleaning that connection off, but I can't do that without ripping the back plate off, and I'm not doing that yet. So minimum, we're going to need a movement service, and we're going to need some corrosion remediation. Hopefully you don't need to replace the circuit. You're going to need some loom cleaning, and we got that extra link that you want to put in. Still though, I love these watches. I love this model. They're super cool. I'll put this back in like so. There. Okay. Well, this is here, and I'm assuming you want me to go ahead, so you let me know if that's correct, and we will go from there. Thank you very much, sir.